Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So I know it's been a long time no see, but today we are doing a hotel room tour, or I used to call it a room tour, whichever one you want to do. But me and baby been gone for a while. You know, we really haven't been on YouTube like that. But earlier today I posted our hotel room that we're staying in, and everybody's like, "Are y'all gonna do a vlog? Y'all gonna do a video?" And I'm like, I'm not gonna do a vlog. This is my first time in Cancun, Mexico. So if you don't know by the title, we are in Cancun, Mexico. And I was like, I don't want to vlog. I want to experience this. And I'm excited. And there's a lot of tequila out here. So I ain't gonna be able to vlog. So we just gonna give you a room tour. Okay? Okay. So first to start off, this is the Hyatt. How you say it? Is it Ziva?
Yeah.
It's like Diva, but it's, instead of a D's with a Z, Z as in zebra. So this is the Hyatt Ziva, and we are in Cancun, Mexico. I probably visited it like 3 or 4 times. I'm a little, yee, but you know.
What?
But we gonna start off at the front. So this is the door. Hello, hello, hello. Nice door. It got like a little peephole just in case you want to see who there. But you know, I'm short, so.
Hey, baby, not even that. It has a doorbell.
Oh yeah, it had a doorbell, which I didn't know until they rung it. Ain't that crazy? So this is a very nice, inclusive hotel. Not to distract y'all from the room tour, but if y'all book with this hotel, everything's included. Liquor, soda, food, liquor. The liquor is free, okay? So if you book with this hotel, the liquor is free. You don't know how free the liquor is? They gave us a complimentary bottle, okay?
Yes.
We got this for the free, y'all. So this is a very nice hotel. But anyway, so back to what I was saying, not to get sidetracked. This is the door, got a peephole, it got a doorbell, really cool. Then we're gonna go this way. This is the hallway.
Let's go ahead and flip around.
So as you can see right here, this is the detail on the wall. It got like little side lights. It's very nice. And you got this big mirror, which this is like probably my favorite part. Like it's giving Beyonce. Like it's giving, what do I have on? I'm cute, you know what I mean? And then right here behind True is the safe area. And they have this lovely popcorn ball up here.
That you was gonna say decor.
No, I don't know what that is. It's the aesthetics. But
Should have came with the room.
yep, and then they left us the bottle right here when we came back from eating. And this is part of the back of the closet. We gonna get to this later. So then this is
Nothing, go ahead.
So this is the main room that we are sleeping in. This is like so cute, y'all. So this is a king bed, and it comes with these 2 little drawers on the side. One thing I love about this hotel is a lot of storage. Like when I tell you it's a lot of storage, it's a lot of storage. Then they have all these switches over here. Don't really know what they go to. This is the first one.
It's a light.
Yeah, so that controls that light over there. Then we have, not yet.
Oh, Lord. Stop pushing stuff.
That light control. I wanted to show them this. I don't know what this is, to be honest.
It's like a night light.
Yeah, I feel like the only way you be able to utilize this if it was pitch black in here. But yeah, this light goes right here. And one thing I do like about this hotel too is they have phone chargers. So they got the part that the head go in, and they got the part that the cord go in.
USB.
Okay, USB. See, that's why you're here. Then we got this alarm clock, and this alarm clock also got USBs, and it got the heads. I don't know what it's called.
Just go.
This right here is really cool. So this is a seating area. Excuse all that stuff right here, but this is a whole bench right here, and this is a chair, and it pull out. I was gonna be embarrassed if it didn't pull out, because I didn't know. but this is a pull-out seat, so I guess it's like an ottoman or whatever. Then we got this big screen TV.
Don't touch it.
And then, like I told y'all earlier, it's a lot of storage in here. So, bada! You can put stuff in here, which is really cool. You can also store stuff under this bench, which is really nice as well. It was funny because baby was like, we could have came with more people. And I was like, where were they going to sleep? On this bench?
Well, see, yeah, they wasn't gonna be with us, but
Yeah.
I mean, I was just saying.
I mean, if y'all don't mind, you know, shacking up in a room, it's a lot of opportunity for at least You said like 5 people to be in here? 4 or 5 people?
Not probably 3 in this room.
Yeah, 3.
But it's other rooms out there. But I have a question. Like, who puts their stuff in the drawers when they go on vacation? Cause she does.
Yeah, I unpack all my stuff as soon as we get in here.
That is not normal to me.
To me, it just make it seem like you here. Like, I don't know. I have OCD too, so that's another thing.
We got here and she was like, unpack your bag. And
Yeah.
I put it right there, y'all.
I
do
put
not
all my stuff up.
like unpacking bags.
So then on this side, it's the same thing as over there. These are buttons to control the lights. Let's see what this did.
Oh, Lord.
I want to see this one come on. Oh, it's turned off everything. Oh, hold on, y'all. Okay, there we go. What this do? I thought this was going to come on, but maybe not. I don't know. But it's a lot of buttons in here to push, okay? A lot of opportunity to figure out what your room do. But this is pretty cool. This is the phone. And then my phone is charged up right here. It's a little table. Not two.
Why are you pointing at obvious stuff? This is the couch.
This is the couch. This is a very nice couch though. Like, look at that. Slow mo.
That's why we can't have nice things.
So this is the couch. It's very cute. And then this is like the little architecture that they have in here. It's just nice as well. Then they come with this table right here. So this is a very cool part about the room too. This is a little desk area. And this is a tablet that comes with the desk. You can order room service off of here. You can find out what's happening tonight. Like tonight they have a show at 8 o'clock. What time the bar is closed, what time the restaurant's closed. Like activities, you can access all that on this pad right here. And then this is a complimentary. Y'all, complimentary.
Complimentary.
How you say it?
Complimentary.
A free bar, okay? It's a free bar. Everything you're looking at is for free. For free.
Okay, we got it.
It threw me off because when he said it, I had to make sure that he was right. Because I don't want to be like, oh, it's free, but you gotta do this. And then I touch it and I gotta pay for it later. All this is free. And then you open this is free as well.
Oh, my strawberries.
Oh.
Oh.
So it's beer in here. It's soda. It's juice. It's more water. And all this is free. It's included in the hotel. I love Mexico. Okay? So then, before we get to there, because that is the piece of the resistance, we're going to go back to the bathroom. So this is the cool thing about the bathroom, y'all. You ready?
Go for it.
This is the nice part about the bathroom. This is the shower, y'all. This is some stuff you see on MTV Cribs. You can see all of that. Is this when you push?
Yeah, you gotta push that one.
Okay,
You push
so
them
yeah.
both.
You can see the whole bathroom shower from every angle in the room. It's about to get nasty, okay? You can see the whole tub, y'all. Look at that. Let's go in there.
Go in there. You just go in there. Go around.
go in
Yeah, just you go around.
I know my leg won't let me open the door.
Okay.
So this is the bathroom. This is the shower. It had what they call it. That's out of my tax bracket. I don't know what they call it.
I was gonna say rainforest.
Well, yeah, like a rainforest
Like a
shower
rain-
head. Then they also got the shower head that come out, which is really nice. And they got a little bench in there, and it's beautiful.
You said a what?
A bench.
I
I don't know. I'm a little country.
I thought you said a bitch in there.
No. What happened in Mexico, stay in Mexico. And then they got these 2 bathroom sinks. If you can already tell which one's mine, you just know if you know. Then they have this beautiful vanity, y'all. And I'm probably gonna use this tonight, cause we outside. Then right behind the laundry is this beautiful closet. We don't need this. Who weighs themselves on vacation? Okay? The man said they come with 2 robes and these slippers. I'm trying to see if it's free. I'm asking. Because I want that robe.
She trying to take it home.
And I want these slippers. And like I said earlier, it's a lot of storage. That's a jar, that's a jar. You can put stuff up there.
You do it like this. Them thighs is in there. You gonna cut that.
They thighs. And then right here, like baby said earlier, I put all my stuff up. And it's more storage. It's an iron board. And it's an iron right there. Was that country enough?
That was very country.
It's an iron.
It's an iron in there.
And then here's some more storage, y'all. It's 3 of these, and you just put all your stuff in there. And I put most of my stuff up. And this is my side of the sink. I feel like this was the woman's side because first of all, it's longer and it had this. So I was like, perfect, that's for me. And then if you go right in here, this is the basura. Is that how you say it? This is the bathroom, excuse me. Very nice.
All right, now let's show what you was talking about earlier, because that's what I want to see.
So this is the best part of the whole, well, I don't know, because the whole room is fire. But this is like the flames right here, y'all. This is our patio. Is it light? It's not light out here. Hopefully y'all can see. Okay, so I'm so sorry. We weren't able to do that next clip because it was so humid in Mexico. It kept fogging up the camera. Like, you couldn't see nothing on that balcony, and it sucked because that was the piece of resistance. But I am going to upload some clips from my phone to show y'all the balcony, and I'm going to try to go in detail. It's just a really quick skim through, and like I said, I apologize because we really want to show y'all, but we was, you know, we was lit in Mexico, so we really did forget to film it the next day. But here is a few clips of our hotel and the balcony. Okay, so when you first come out the sliding doors, to the left is this beautiful jacuzzi. When I tell y'all, I basically lived in this jacuzzi the whole trip. I was in there night and day. Now you cannot see it, but to the right is a towel rack for drying our swimming suits. It's a couch and a table so you can sit outside, you know, watch the views, the ocean, people outside, or, you know, watch your boo in the jacuzzi, or be in the jacuzzi with your boo, which is my favorite. But this balcony was a whole vibe. Then this is inside the hotel. They had dolphins, bro. Real dolphins performing throughout the day. It was such a nice little added touch. And then upstairs, they have an adult-only pool, and it's just me showing y'all the 21 and older area. And then this is me up there chilling, living my best life, as you can see. And no, that's not champagne, that's Don Julio. But yes, y'all, thank y'all for making it to the end of this video. When I tell you Mexico was a whole vibe, and I recommend Cancun, whether you're going with friends or your boo, even take your family. This was a very nice hotel, very good hospitality. Like, I had the best time of my life, and the staff was so helpful, and we got a great deal. But if you made it to the very end, make sure go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below any questions you have about the hotel, or any questions that you have for us if you plan on booking this hotel. And once again, we'll see you on the next one, and thank you for making it this far.